everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Here I'm going to share with you guys the coupon preview of coupons we're getting this Sunday. Now every website is different. Last week I said there's supposed to be 2 inserts and it ended up being 3. So every website is different that shows you inserts. It just might be that's what they get for their area. I used to go to one site, but they haven't been updating their coupons for a while now, and I like to show you guys as early as possible. But according to this website, we're supposed to be getting 2 inserts, but I saw another website there's possibly 3. So I'm not sure exactly what we're getting, but we're just going to say we're getting 2 inserts, 1 Smart Source and 1 Retail Me Not. So here we are getting more CoverGirl coupons. I feel like we get CoverGirl like every 2 weeks. So hopefully, you know, that's all we wear is pretty much CoverGirl makeup, because that's what I feel like. That's all they give us. We got Sally Hansen Nail. 2 different kinds of that. We're getting $1 Mitchums and $2 Clinicals. Blue Diamond. I think you guys can see this. We're getting Splenda, Biore. Gonna skip ahead a little bit. Buy one, get one Java House. Zest, $1 off Zest Body Wash or Body Bar. Then we're getting Allegra, Nasacort, Claritin, a lot of the medicines, Zysol, Non-Drowsy, Claritin. That stuff repeats itself a lot. Nivea Body Wash, Bic Razors. Now I never get those, but those, we got a 4 off of 1 and a 2 off of 1. So the 4 off of 1 might be a good coupon if you guys are interested in that. Now this is a coupon that I love to see is Kotex. We're getting a 3 off of 2. I always like seeing those coupons because usually they're a pretty good deal. Colgate Kids toothpaste and toothbrushes are 50 cents, but we're also getting $2 off mouthwash, toothbrushes, and toothpaste. So those are excellent coupons on that. $1 off of 1 laundry or Lysol. We're getting some more Lysol coupons. There's some deals at Walgreens for that. Another Colgate coupon, Viva 50 cents, Cottonelle, and Scott's 50 cents. So those are that's going to be in the Smart Source. I know I will get only about half of those, not even. But otherwise, here is the Retail Me Not. We're getting Kibbles and Bits, a lot of dog food coupons. Aquafresh, we're getting $1 off or 75 cents off coupon. Now sometimes there's deals in Ibotta for Walmart, so hopefully we can use some of those with that. Shea Moisture Hair Care, Body Care, Skin Care, Love Beauty products. We're getting a bunch of different coupons for that. Tresemme, Hellmann's, Dove, a lot of Dove coupons, not as much as before. And then we're getting some Aquaphor, Downy, Windex. So that's going to be it. There might be a second one, another insert popping up. I think it's going to be another Smart Source, but I'm not 100% sure. But I still wanted to share with you guys what we are getting. Now this is a site for themamas.com. So like I said, every website is different, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.